Hello guys, once again we are back with this tutorial video or short demonstration about the WhatsApp panel, how to use it. As many people are using WhatsApp automated message or WhatsApp automated panels to reduce their workload and to save more time in their work field. So I am going to show you the demonstration as many of the people are not knowing how to use it. In this video, I will show a particular demonstration of a particular video of the WhatsApp. So don't forget to share and subscribe our channel to get more out of these videos. So we are going to start our demo video, and this is the first web page. This is the first web page of the panel. You just have to log in into this. So I'm going to log in. I have already logged in inside this panel. So what is it basically? This is the main dashboard of the panel. You will see the dashboard, WhatsApp, account manager, file manager, toolkits, and everything over here on your left hand side. First we will discuss about the account manager. What is it? You have more than one WhatsApp accounts and you have already logged in with it over here. So all the WhatsApp's account you will see over here one by one. You don't have to use any of the WhatsApp account. Simply you can select and delete that account. I'm not going to do it as I'm going to use this my WhatsApp account. File manager, what is it? This is the panel which providing you a limited period of size like 1000 MB of the files I can upload in this one. So images, videos, audio, CSV, PDFs, files, whatever is it, I can upload over here. This thing will help us later, so don't forget these things. The toolkit, what is it? The caption. You can save any message, as I have already saved one message over here. So in this one, this is test is in title, and hello good morning is my message what I have saved. And the second thing, to save this message, you just have to add a new message and you just have to save the title as I have test and what was my message, and you just have to save this. The second thing is group manager. What is it? If you have more than one account of WhatsApp, so you can add any of the accounts over here. You can make a group of that WhatsApp account particularly. So you will see all the WhatsApp accounts over here. You can select how many WhatsApp account you want to make a group, everything, and just name a group or title of the group, and you just have to save. You can see that group over here inside the sections of group manager. After that, we are going to talk about the WhatsApp. What is it actually? So WhatsApp is basically reduce our workload up to 90%. By using this, many of the peoples are having their day-to-day and free life in their daily life. So just simply to use it, you just have to add one account. To add, you just have to add account by simply scanning this QR code over here. After scanning this QR code, you can add any of the WhatsApp accounts, and you will see that WhatsApp account over here in the profile section. You just have to select the account and you will see the details. So for this one, it is only to send any message onto the WhatsApp, you need contacts, means contact list. For that, you have to first add the contacts. How many contacts do you have? You can see there is no contacts for now. I'm going to add one. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to give a name of that contact group list. Okay, so I'm going to give the name as a test and submit it. So successfully it is got submitted. You can see over here there is 0 contacts in it. To add the contact, you just have to click on the middle icon and you just have to simply import the contacts. If you have CSV file, so you can directly import that from your computer. If you don't, then you have to physically input every number over here, or you can paste it over here. As to add the contact, you have to mention the country code first of all, because without this thing won't work. So I am adding a country code and one number, so which is I'm adding my number to run this thing. it is successfully submitted. You can see one contact has been added. Now I'm going back, you can see one contact has been added. Okay, if you don't want this contact group anymore, so you can simply delete this contact group with this delete icon. If you change the group name, then you can also change the group name with the first icon as well. So what is it? Bulk message. Bulk messages means you have to send a particular message to more than one people at a single time. So this will work like this. In this section, you just have to add a new campaign. For that, you have to select the WhatsApp group account, WhatsApp number, what you are going to select. Then a campaign name, as I'm going to campaign a name as a test, and the contact group. I have make a group of test with one contact number, so I have going to selected this one. What is it? The next, the text and media file. What is it? You have a photo or a video that you have to share to the people, so you can select or upload any of the media file. About the file manager, as I have talked before. File manager, if you have already uploaded any of the photos or videos or whatever file over here, you can directly browse from here or select it. If you don't, then you can simply browse from your computer and you can select that file over here. After that, you can see the caption. It means a text message, what you want to do or what you want to make. So simply I'm going to write it down here. Hello, good morning. Okay, so simply I have write it down over here. Hello, good morning. After that, I have to select at what time and what particular date I have to send this message. I can schedule the future time as well, anything. Okay, like this, but I'm going to do it now, so I'm going to select now and done. After that, it shows the minimum intervals and maximum intervals. So I'm going to suggest you, if you have more than 50 contacts, you have to minimum select a one, and maximum you can select more than 30 seconds, because in between that time period, minimum 1 second to 30 seconds, at any time period, random time period, this message will send onto that WhatsApp account. Here is only one contact, so I'm going to buy one and one for each, and simply I'm going to schedule this one. I'm going to select it now, couple of times, done, and schedule. It says successfully run. Okay, and it already sent it. If you have many contacts, so it will show you how many contacts are pending to send the message, and if anyone got failed, so you can see how many numbers got failed over here as well. You can also take a report of this one. If you don't want, you can also simply delete this campaign after the work is finished. So you can see over here, I've received a message, hello, good morning, this is my WhatsApp account, and this is the number what I have saved. Okay, so I've received that message, hello, good morning, simply. So this is known as a bulk messaging. You can set or select, or you can send one message to more than many peoples. So after this, what is it about the auto response? So auto response, what is it? It means in your absence, the WhatsApp will message the customer or the number what you have messaged that you are absent, or what you want to set any message that you will contact them soon. So I'm going to select the account and I'm going to enable this first. After getting enable, you can see send to. How many peoples do you want to send the message? It means all peoples, those who are going to message you. Text or media file, as I have said before, it is the same as it is. In this one, I have already wrote down, I will contact you soon. So if anyone is messaging me, okay, for some related work, I am not able to see my WhatsApp, but my WhatsApp will automatically send a message to the person that I will contact you soon regarding this or this. Okay, after this, you have to select a minimum. So in which or in how much time the message is going to send to the opposite person. You just have to select one over here. After that, accept contacts. If you don't want to send any of the message to particular contacts, okay, then you can also select this one, or you can also type down the number over here. After doing this, you just simply have to submit. It says successfully got submitted. So let's gonna check if I can received any message from here or not. So I will type hello, and I will send this. Look, I will contact you soon. What I have wrote down, I've got the message within a minute. So the auto response is working like this one. In your absence, your WhatsApp will send the message directly to the person. So after the auto response, it's time for the chatbot. Chatbot is an AI system that instead of you, your WhatsApp is going to talk with the person, just like an computer, like that. So in this one, you just have to first add an item. To add an item, you have to make a status enable, send to the all person who is going to message you. And now message contain the keyword and message contain the whole keyword. So simply one person is going to message you about just only one word. Then from that, this AI tool, this chatbot will denote that and message the respective person the same what you have set it for. So I'm going to name this as a test and keyword. What will be my keyword? So I'm going to type it down here, demo. Demo is my keyword. If someone is going to message me a demo, I want it demo or demo, just simply like that, then what message the person will receive? You can select any media file over here as it is same, and you can also write down the caption over here from it. So like I'm going to write it down, I will provide you soon. So if someone is going to message me demo, then this message will receive by that person, I will provide you soon, and you just have to submit this. It says successfully submitted, but wait a minute. After this, you have to see over here on the top right section. If it says stop, then this will not work. You just have to simply click on this and make it running at a running status. If it says it is in running status, then the opposite person will receive the message. Likewise, if I will tap it down over here, damn more, and I will send this message. Look, I will provide you soon. What I have wrote over there. So this is it. If it says stop, then it will won't work. So mention or remember this thing. After this, it says the export participants. It means you have a WhatsApp groups or whatever. You can also export from that number. Then it's API section. It is just for the software purpose and anything like that. After that, the button template and the list template, I will make the separate video for that. So don't forget. Let's coming to the dashboard section. As you can see your daily activity, you will measure over here how many messages you are doing or how many messages your chatbot is doing daily basis. So you will show over here. So you can see in the starting it says 9, but now it says 11. So two of the messages that I have sent means one, I will contact you soon, and the second, I will provide you soon, like that. So this is the thing that you can measure from your WhatsApp in a report over here simply. So let's talk about the pricing of this panel. So you can see the pricing features over here onto the web page. You can take this as a monthly basis or as an annually basis. In the monthly basis, we have three sections: standard, premium, and entrepreneur. So in the standard one, you can get all the benefit, but except the open AI generated content or the AI generated images that you will not receive in the standard one. But in the premium one, you will also receive that two things, and as well as the storage space. But in the enter premium, it is same, but the storage space will be the more. So this is the monthly pricing, and you can shift to the annually as well. So this is it. If you like this video, you can share this video or like this video to support us, and also subscribe our channel to see this type of tutorial videos or demonstration videos more. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get notification about the new videos. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Thank you for your support.